Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to show pagination on listing page. Log into the backend. Now go to Configuration and then Basic Setting. Click on Categories, Lists. Change the value on item per page and selection of item per page. Now save and go to Configuration and Theme Manager. Click on Configuration Theme. Go to Configuration tab. Remove the Check from Infinite Scrolling checkbox and save. Click Start Process to compile the theme. Now go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.